Good morning, everybody. Dirk from algotrade24.com here. Algo trading made simple with our market update for Monday, the 20th of April 2020. I hope everybody had a good weekend and is ready for some trading action this week. So let's have a look at the markets. We'll start with our trade that we still have open in the S&P 500. So for those of you who didn't follow us on this one last week, we opened a long position at 2805. Actually put the stop loss here now to 2810 to be sure we don't lose money on this trade anymore. We're not going to change anything here for the moment. So as I said last Friday, last half hour of trading looked pretty promising with the markets actually trending a little bit higher. That is in general in 75% of the time a good sign for what's going to happen in the next week. This morning the S&P, or let's say the S&P future that is for the moment, the stock markets in the US of course not yet opened at this time. It's like 9 a.m. here, Central European time at the moment. We're at 2858 at the moment. So let's see if the S&P can maintain the momentum, I wanted to say, for the moment, and maybe attack the 2,900 or maybe even the areas around 3,000 next day. Anyway, should this not be the case, should we go down, we're going to be stopped out with around about 5 pop pips or 5 points of profits. And so everything up is a little bit of a free lunch for us there. Euro dollar, undecisive this morning where to go really. You can really see he doesn't know what to make out of the situation in the USA at the moment. Normally in a situation like this, people or investors would seek to buy the US dollar. This is happening at the moment, but there's also a lot of uncertainty because it seems like the USA are going to be one of the nations that's struck by the economic recession, the worldwide economic recession, the worst. So actually one thing we would like to try to play here, should we go up here around this area of 108.90, we would like to short the market. Should we go really down here all the way today to 107.80, we would go long again. Because what we see at the moment, we have a little bit of a triangle. Yeah, you can see this here. So all the way from the top. It's not precise now. Please bear with me on this one. We have a triangle here. So looks like this triangle is going to find a solution. Maybe not today, maybe on Wednesday, either in one direction, sharply up or sharply down. For the moment, I want to place 2 orders there today. So I want to do 2 pending orders. A sell limit up at 108.90. And for that one, we are going to place a stop loss at 109.50. So this is our first trade. Should we go down, we would buy the market at 107.80 like we did last time, with a stop loss at 107.30. So stop loss not too far away there, because once we break below this, I'm pretty sure we're going to go lower. Actually, we can also put the stop loss even higher here, so we're not risking a lot there. So let's see how things pan out. Should we go up again, we will short the market at 108.90. Should we go down today, we'll buy the market at 107.80. And we are going to do this strategy again because, again, we are not sure whether the bulls or the bears, the bulls being the euro bulls, the bears being the dollar bulls, are going to have the upper hand here. So we are prepared for both directions. Quick look at oil. Slumping down here a little bit after this crazy 25% rise again out of nothing. We have cable slowly trending downwards. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin still in this crazy area between 6,600 and 7,350. So I'm not going to do this here, but if you are playing crypto, you could short the market here at 7,350. You could buy the market here at 6,6 and place a stop loss for the short trade, maybe just roughly below. Yeah, I'm going to tell you what, we're just going to try this today. This is probably the day where Bitcoin is going to break out then, but this is how it always goes. So should we see the 7350? We want to short the market, but we want to have our stop loss already at 7,475. So you see our sell limit here. Here's our stop loss. I can a bit higher, just slightly north of where we were in the highs there. So should we go up here? We want to try to play the move down here into this region again. So probably this is the day where Bitcoin breaks out and goes towards 8,000. But never mind. And it's a fair chance. It's a good trading setup. So let's do it. Okay. So to summarize, we have our two possible trading scenarios in euro dollar, which we are prepared. Short at 108.90, long at 107.80. We still have our ongoing trade in the S&P 500. We went long the last week at 2.805. Have a stop loss at 2.810 now. And we would short Bitcoin at 7,350 with a stop loss of 7,522 actually it is, to play the move all the way down here again. So that's 4 possible trades, 1 already executed, so 3 more possible trades for today. Let's see if any of those trades are triggered. Until then, please stay safe. Follow our Telegram channel for updates, real-life updates on those trades. If you don't follow it, I'll be very happy to see you again here on YouTube on Wednesday. Until then, have a good day. See you soon. Bye-bye.